What is up, guys? So today is just a quick little video. I guess probably won't be super quick, but just how to set up Android Auto on a Toyota car. This is a 2023 Toyota Camry. The name escapes me right now. Camry, I think. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how to set it up for Android Auto. You're gonna need to. Sorry, the lighting is like extremely bad in here. So I have a flashlight, which there we go. Okay, so there is a US Type A port and the bottom, so the radio's right there, and then it's gonna be right here. You're gonna plug that in, and then I have the Galaxy Z Flip 5 running Android 14. It is a beta, but I don't think that would change anything. So just plug it in. So it says it's charging. Okay. So let's see. When safe, unlock your phone to start Android Auto. And then on the touchscreen, it says welcome to Android Auto. So you're going to hit unlock. So continue setup on your car screen. Okay, so welcome to Android Auto. So it says requires permission to access data, etc. Okay. Allow or continue. Okay, and here we have the map. So it is Google Map. As you can see, Pennsylvania. Then you have different apps here. YouTube Music, Google Maps, Call. Let's see. So let's go into settings. So let's see. So show conversations. Let's see. Okay, now let's try Hey Google. So, oh, okay. It just popped up instantly. Okay. Voice. Let's try the voice.
Before you start, consider viewing the available video tutorials.
Okay, so that's not what I want. Okay, so you're just gonna have to say, hey, your assistant. So here's my Z Flip 5 just to see how it reacts. Hey Google. So the Z Flip 5 doesn't do anything on it. Oh, hello. So let's just try to ask it a simple question. Hey Google, what's the weather for tomorrow?
Tomorrow in East Aurora, it'll be mostly sunny with a high of 51 and a low of 42.
Okay.
By the way, next time you can also...
Nice. Okay. So yeah, it does work. Let's see what we have here. Oh, so this is all different applications. It actually looks really good. So WhatsApp's Smart Things podcasts. That's kind of weird that Smart Things works on Game Stacks. Are you serious? Why is that kind of cool, bruh? Okay, this shouldn't. I don't know. Maybe this is just me, but this shouldn't be on a car. I guess if you have little kids or something, that would make sense. Got it. Oh, I lost. Is I supposed to do it? Oh, I lost, yeah. Pretty satisfying noises, though. So, yeah, that works, obviously. So, hey, Google. Take me to the Galleria Mall. Okay, so it did that. So that works. Okay. Wow, that's actually really nice. And just to unplug, or to stop it, let's go ahead and just unplug it from the Z Flip 5, and it should just, yeah, disappear right back to its usual, I don't know, way of life. I don't know. So then plug it back in on the Galaxy Z Flip 5, and you should see it again. Maybe, maybe not. Let's just open my phone. Okay, if I can't open it. Sorry if the filming is actually really bad. Face unlock. Android Auto, where are you? Okay. Let's try connecting to that again. Okay, well that's kind of weird. But yeah, so that's just a little quick tutorial on how to set up Android Auto and a 2023 Toyota Camry. I don't know how to say that. Yeah, so yeah, that's how you set it up. Just a really quick tutorial, and this should, in theory, work for every single model of the Toyota that's a 2023. And it also probably will work, on any Toyota, like it'll be the same thing on any Toyota vehicle, like probably later. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that. Okay. Hope you enjoyed that quick little tutorial. If you did, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you then.